today's video, we are going to be fixing face and body hyperpigmentation. So if you've been struggling with dark underarms, dark inner thighs, or you have dark spots as a result of insect bites or accidents, you have scars on your body as a result of accidents, or one thing or the other that has led to hyperpigmentation on your body or on your face, or you just basically want to have an even skin complexion, this video is for you. I'll be sharing some effective product that has been tried and trusted to work perfectly well for people with hyperpigmentation. So if this sounds like something you've been interested in, please stick around with me to the end of this video, and don't forget to give this video a very huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to join this beautiful family. So without further ado, let us dive right into it. The first product that has been tried and trusted to effectively fade hyperpigmentation is the Kojie San lightening soap. Now, I know that I have talked severally about this soap, and that is because this soap works. When I tell you that it works, it works. And the good part is that this soap can be used both on your face and on your body. So here is how to use the Kojie San lightening soap on your face to fade dark spots, discoloration, hyperpigmentation. First thing first, you shouldn't use the Kojie San lightening soap every day. Use only 3 to 4 times in a week, and make sure you are using it only at night. Okay, so what you do after washing your face with your regular face wash, you take the Kojie San soap and just form a ladder on your hand and apply it as a mask on your face, targeting especially those places where you have the dark spots. So if you have dark spots here, or you have dark spots here, wherever you have dark spots on your face, just target that particular place, and then you let it sit for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then you wash off. This really works, but you must have to be cautious about it. Like I said, use 3 to 4 times in a week and use only at night. Also, because the Kojie San lightening soap can be drying on your face, you need to make sure you are following up with a good moisturizer afterwards. If you want to use the Kojie San lightening soap to fade hyperpigmentation on your body, you need to focus on the part that you need to even out, the parts that have the hyperpigmentation. So let's say you have hyperpigmentation on your armpits, or you have on your inner thighs. Just form a ladder with the soap and apply it on those parts where you have discoloration. You can use this soap on your whole body, it is fine, but make sure you are concentrating, make sure you are focusing on the parts where you have hyperpigmentation. And trust me, in 3 to 4 weeks, you're going to see massive results. Make sure you are getting the original one. There are lots of fakes in the market, so make sure you are purchasing the original Kojie San lightening soap. In as much as the Kojie San lightening soap works, it shouldn't be the only thing in your skincare routine that would help to fade hyperpigmentation. To get the best result, you need to add up an exfoliating lotion. Now, I'm not telling you to use your body scrub. Your body scrub will not do much for you in this instance, okay? You need to get a chemical exfoliant. One of the causes of hyperpigmentation is the buildup of dead skin cells on your skin. So you need something that would help to fade those dead skin cells, that will help to scrape them off in order for your skin to renew new skin cells, okay? So you need an exfoliating product. Either you get an exfoliating toner or you get an exfoliating lotion. But bottom line is that you need something that contains AHA, glycolic acid or lactic acid. These two ingredients work perfectly in fading hyperpigmentation and evening out your skin complexion or your skin tone, both face and body. So for your face, you'll be needing an exfoliating toner. The one that I've tried and I have used, or I'm still using right now, is the ordinary glycolic acid toner with 7% glycolic acid. So this is the product right here, and this is how it looks like. So this toner contains 7% glycolic acid. What will this toner do for you? This toner would help to exfoliate your skin, remove those dead skin cells. It will help to even out your complexion. It will help to smoothen your face. If you have textured skin, let's say your skin looks rough or bumpy, you need to make sure you are getting something that contains either glycolic acid or lactic acid, okay? For my skin type, glycolic acid works perfectly for me, but if you have a dry skin or you have a sensitive skin, you can opt for the lactic acid. But for someone like me with normal to combination skin type, I make use of this glycolic acid toner. Okay, there are other glycolic acid toners that you can get. You mustn't get this one, but make sure you are using a chemical exfoliant in order to slug off those dead skin cells and help your skin look fresh, clean, smooth and even. Now, whenever you are making use of this, make sure you are not using the Kojie San lightening soap, okay? You remember I said you can use the Kojie San soap 3 to 4 times weekly. You can make use of this 2 to 3 times weekly, or just twice weekly. Twice weekly is enough for your face, okay? So whenever you are exfoliating your skin, make sure you are not doing it every day. Allow your skin to breathe. Let's say if you exfoliate your skin on Monday, you allow your skin rest. Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday you can exfoliate, and just go on and on like that. Using this chemical exfoliant, endeavor that you ensure that you are making use of it only at night, and don't use it on days when you'll be using your Kojie San lightening soap. Let's say you are using your Kojie San lightening soap today, you're not going to use this, you're going to use this the next day. So that is how you're going to go on with it, and you're going to see results. Your skin is going to even out. Those dark patches or dark spots are going to clear out. Then for your body, you need an exfoliating lotion. I am always talking about exfoliating lotion. Like, I started using exfoliating lotions this year, and my skin just turned around. My skin transformed for the best, like for good. So that is why I'm always talking about exfoliating lotion. You know, anything that I use on my skin that does marvelously well on my skin, I always come here to share it with you so that you guys will get your own experience. Okay, so if you've not been using an exfoliating lotion, you should go now and get an exfoliating lotion. An exfoliating lotion is important. Like, it works perfectly well. It works way better than a body scrub. If you've been using a body scrub and you're like, body scrubs are good on my skin, I love body scrubs, just go and try exfoliating lotions. Go and try exfoliating lotions, and you're going to see a huge, massive difference in your skin. So the exfoliating lotion I'm going to be recommending, which is what I use, is the Alpha skincare lotion. Like this, I'm almost done with this bottle. Even before this one finished, I have to get another one to show you how wonderful this product is. The benefit of this body lotion, and even most all exfoliating lotion, is just a lot. Okay, this will help to smoothen your skin. It will help to remove bumpy skin. If you have rough and bumpy skin, to help to smoothen that out. This will also help to improve or increase collagen production in your skin, and collagen would help to make your skin look younger and fresh. So this serves as an anti-aging product. It serves as a lightening or brightening product. It serves as a smoothing product. This is everything you need in one. So you need to incorporate this in your nighttime routine. Make sure you are making use of all these things I'm mentioning at night. Use this at night. Use the glycolic acid toner at night. Okay, while the glycolic acid is for your face, this is for your body. If you have a sensitive skin or a dry and sensitive skin, instead of opting for this, you can opt for the ameliorate. I've talked about that in my last video. You can also watch my last video to see other exfoliating lotions that you can use. This ameliorate is a very good lotion. It contains lactic acid. It is very affordable. It is among the most affordable exfoliating lotions that I know of. You can try that out, or you can still try the Lactin Daily Moisturizer. That one is also good, but this is the one I use, and this is perfect on my skin. If you know how I suffered with melasma, I think melasma is like the strongest or the most serious hyperpigmentation that you can ever get. Melasma is a common skin concern for pregnant women, and when I was pregnant, I had it a lot. These products that I'm mentioning now are what helped me to even out my skin complexion. Now my complexion is evened out. I don't have dark armpits or dark thighs or dark butts. Everywhere is looking even, fresh and clean. So that is why I'm sharing this with you. The next product you're going to be needing if you want to fade hyperpigmentation while using all these things, because all these things are active ingredients that would help to lighten your skin and fade hyperpigmentation. The reason why I'm telling you to use all these things at night is because these products are really active and they can make your skin very sensitive to the sun. So it's best to use at night, and even when you're using it at night, in the following morning, because you're definitely still going to wake up, the following morning, ensure you are going in with a sunscreen. Now this is super important. If you apply all these things and you go under the sun, you're only going to get darker. And this is why some people would use the whole good products, the whole lightening products in this world, and their skin keeps getting dark. This is because you are not using sun protection. Sunscreen is super important in your skincare routine, especially when you're using actives or products that contain all this kind of acid that can make your skin very sensitive to the sun. So it is really important. Make sure you are using a sunscreen that has an SPF of 30 and above, and make sure it is a broad spectrum sunscreen. Always make sure it is a broad spectrum sunscreen. Okay, so when you want to apply your sunscreen during the day, after putting on your clothes, the parts of your body that are exposed to the sun, the parts of your skin that is not covered with clothing, you need to make sure you are applying a sunscreen on those parts. Say with what I'm putting on, the parts of my body that are exposed to the sun is my face, my neck, my arm. So if I want to go out, I'm going to apply sunscreen on all these areas, my face, my neck, my arm, my legs, because I'm putting on a gown, okay, and I'm good to go. Now all these products are not products that you're going to see results in like 2 weeks. You need to give time. You need to give this product time, okay? Exercise patience. Give these products like 3 months for you to start seeing results. Be patient, be consistent. You're going to get wonderful results. If you've learned 1 or 2 things from this video, don't forget to give this video a very huge thumbs up, please. This is one way you're going to support me. Liking this video would help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to its audience. So please make sure you are liking my video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. If you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section. If you've tried any of these products, please drop a comment on how they worked for you. If you have any question whatsoever, or if there are any products or skin concerns that you want me to talk on, please let me know in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. So until I see you on my next one, have a wonderful week. Bye.